Adani storm echoing in Parliament. Mallikarjun Kharge says we'll give proof on Adani when sought. Amid government's give Adani proof taunt. That's what the Congress president has said.
सर मुकुल रोहतगी और मनीष जेठमलानी कह रहे हैं कि अडानी के नाम कोई मामला नहीं है और एफसीपीए के तहत उनका नाम भी नहीं लिया गया है, ना अडानी, गौतम अडानी, ना सागर अडानी।
वो तो सवाल हम उठा रहे हैं ना, 267 में आज उठा रहे हैं, आपको बता देंगे।
राहुल जी, आपको क्या लगता है कि सरकार के वकील जो है इस तरह की सफाई मांग रहे हैं?
मैम प्लीज,
कि विपक्ष सबूत दे, वो कह रहे हैं कि विपक्ष सबूत दे, ऐसे भ्रांतियां न फैलाएं।
हम तो उठा रहे हैं ना सवाल।
मैम प्लीज।
सर, पर विपक्ष से सरकार विपक्ष से सबूत मांग रही है कि विपक्ष सबूत दे अडानी के खिलाफ।
यही मोदी
कुछ देंगे वहाँ, अगर पूछे तो पार्लियामेंट में देंगे।
Rahul Gautam getting in more details. We will give the proof when we are asked to give the proof. This comes at a time, Rahul, when the government says, where is the proof against Adani? He himself, the group itself has said that these charges are based on hearsay, isn't it, in a statement?
Opposition MPs are saying that we'll give proof to the government once there is investigation is ordered. While today Mahesh Jetmalani, I myself asked him that the opposition camp is insisting for a JPC, to which he said that you can't put a cart before horse. Basically, he was saying that until unless there is some proof coming forward by opposition, how can there be an investigation? So obviously you can say that it's a game of shifting goalpost. Opposition camp has been demanding that there should be a JPC in this regard, given the fact that until unless there is JPC, we would not be able to unearth the real truth. However, Adani Group is maintaining that they have not been charged or booked under FCPA, and there is only 3 clauses under which they have been booked, and that too for mere intent and conspiracy. So obviously you can expect that this ruckus will only continue. Opposition camp will certainly increase the heat as this session will proceed. But one thing is very important, that this issue has sort of become a rallying point, because Congress is trying to garner more and more support on this. Today also, TMC, we all know that how they were not part of the India bloc meeting. Earlier also they were not part of the India bloc meeting that was called. So clearly it seems that this issue is becoming a rallying point on which Congress party is trying to garner more and more support. But it seems that because of this only, the fault lines are also coming to the fore as far as this issue is concerned.
I'm going to leave it at that. Rahul Gautam getting us those details. This is what is now being said by the government. Where is the proof? Listen and
he has to be arrested, as we have said. Hundreds of people are being arrested on tiny charges. The gentleman has been indicted in the United States for thousands of crores. He should be in jail. And the government, please let me speak. And the government is protecting him.
The gentleman should be in jail, says leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi. Charges are being faced as so many people are affected. And that's the reason why he should be in jail. That's what the opposition says. And we're going across to my colleagues reporting from Parliament in just a moment from now. But this is what happened. Along expected lines, the government saying where is the proof, the opposition demanding not just a statement but also a JPC. Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, says we will give the proof when it is sought from us. It was ruckus. Lok Sabha proceedings have been, in fact, adjourned up until noon today. Also, a link that has been drawn between the beginning of the winter session of Parliament and the manner in which the charges appeared. Businessman Gautam Adani has already issued a statement following the indictment charges in the US, politics heating up in the country.
You think Adani is going to accept the charges? Which world are you living in, brother? Obviously, he's going to deny the charges. The point is he has to be arrested. The point is he has to be arrested, as we have said. Hundreds of people are being arrested on tiny charges. The gentleman has been indicted in the United States for thousands of crores. He should be in jail. And the government, please let me speak. And the government is protecting him.
संभल जाएंगे क्या सर?
पीएम से चुनाव नहीं होना.
All right, Maushami getting in more details. The leader of the opposition mincing no words and really leading the charge, saying that he should be in jail. He's obviously not going to be accepting these charges. He needs to be behind bars. Maushami.
Clearly, Rahul Gandhi is upping the ante there, Sneha, saying that, you know, when he was asked that he's been indicted by the US court, he said, do you think Gautam Adani is going to accept those charges? And many people have been arrested for tiny charges. Yet again, reiterating what he said in the press conference, that here chief ministers go to jail for fewer sums and allegations which are much smaller. And Gautam Adani is still roaming at large without any arrest or investigation. So clearly, perhaps the Congress is thinking of a clear-cut, coherent, united strategy with the India alliance, and we don't really see the parliament session progressing without the opposition's demand, which they are pressing, that there should be a detailed discussion on the Adani issue.
All right, so you're expecting the session, in fact, to be in a bit of a stalemate there, isn't it, Maushami? Given that the government has said A, what are the charges? Rahul Gandhi has said that Adani should be in jail. It's a big statement there coming in from the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha.